Most people use social media every day. We scroll for hours, but very few people use social media as their learning English partner. In this video, I will share you some simple framework to learn English. Use social media as your learning English partner. No grammar, no difficult words. Just learn and use it in your daily life. Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Singh. I have challenged myself to continuously speak English for 3 to 4 minutes on a daily basis. In my life earlier, I was spending so much time on watching random videos. I watch random videos on YouTube. I wasting so much time on my social media platform. Then I realized something important. That is, instead of wasting too much time on social media, how can I use this time to improve my English? Now let you tell me something very important. That is, I can use social media as my English learning partner. Then how can you use your social media as your learning English partner? So there are various steps you should adopt in or use to social media as your learning English partner. First one is choose what you watch. First step is very simple, like you do not watch random videos. Instead of choosing simple videos or specific videos related to English, like watching random blogs related to English movies, or YouTube content related to English, extra. If you continuously watch these videos or in English daily, your mind automatically hears some English content daily. The second step is to use social medias for listening practice. You like whenever you watch some videos or you just listen and make pause and then notice how people can speak, how can they use simple words, how they can take pauses. Then try to adopt or commute in your daily English practice. So next one is copy small sentences. That is very good steps. Whenever you watch video or hear some simple sentences, listen the video and take pause, then repeat the sentences in your life. You just do not repeat too many sentences. You just need 2 or 3 sentences. That is enough. You need to practice like a children learning their language during their childhood times. So comes the most important step. That is speak with social media. How? That is, I know that you understand English very well, but when it comes to speaking, most people got stuck. You should try to record yourself speaking in front of camera. You can record yourself for 3 to 4 minutes on a daily basis. You talk about your daily habits, talk about your daily schedule, talk about your observation, what you watch. In this way, you can use social media as your practice partner when you start speaking. At last comes last step is make a small daily habit. I know that people do not stick or consistent to their daily habits, like learning English. I do not force you spend whole day in learning English. I just ask you just spend 2 or 3 minutes in a day to learn English, like listening for 2-3 minutes, reading for 5 to 10 minutes, or speaking for 2-3 minutes on a daily basis. So remember this thing in your mind, that is, you do not need to be perfect in English. You just use it for conversation with other people. You will make mistakes, that is normal, but do not use social media as your exam hall. Take it as a practice place. Now you can use it to learn, not to judge yourself. My message to the audience is very simple. If you use social media every day, if you already spend time on your phone, then if you can use some time to learn English, your English got improved. So social media is not bad. How can you use it? It matters. At last, I am still using social media as my learning English partner. I am still improving. I am still listening. I'm still not confident in speaking English. If you are learning English, then we can practice together. I hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.